Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So this VxRail sizing tool you can use to calculate the workload options. Okay, you can provide the inputs here, and finally you can get an workload sizing report. Using that report, you can um, calculate the approximate requirement of hardware, switches. Okay, those kind of things you can get very easily with this VxL sizing tool. Mostly this will be used by the architects. Okay, and you are the only resource who is going to perform all these activities. Means normally, like during this initial implementation, we'll be closely interacting with Dell on all the support. Okay, as far as my knowledge, no company has involved a single engineer privately to do the implementation, because when they procure the hardware, they will get the required support from Dell EMC, and based on their support we are deploying as of now.
Yes.
Okay, and there might be some cases, whereas if it is a two node cluster, I'm not sure whether Dell will be providing the same support. Okay, because whatever projects which I supported till date, having more than 16 to 20 plus servers, so we don't
Yes.
face any problems in terms of getting a premium support from Dell. So I think there might be some reasons that time you might get a chance to work on this VxL sizing tool individually, but that's a rare case. Okay. So this is a tool, and I'm not going to explain about this fault tolerance method, inputs and all. We'll discuss about this fault tolerance method when we go for the vSAN configuration. Okay, as of now, I don't want to touch this fault tolerance method. Why we are given right 64+2. Okay, so those kind of what is touch cluster, I'm not going to touch all those things. Anyway, we are going to see all this touch cluster, satellite node, then fault tolerance method, everything we'll discuss in detail when we get into that vSAN configuration. Okay, so as of now, just think of like if you want to do an sizing infrastructure sizing, we have a tool called VxRail sizing tool. You can use that tool to do the initial sizing for implementation in the data center. Okay, that's what the thing you need to understand here. So next is about BOM and SOW. BOM means bill of material, and SOW means scope of work. So bill of materials that will go to the purchase team, and SOW will come to us. Okay, and who is going to do what kind of task in the data center? That SOW will have all those details. Okay, so I'll explain about the SOW, statement of work. So architect will introduce that is will give introduction on the project, what this project about and what kind of implementation we are going to perform. Then I will define the vision, like objective, like what kind of objective we are going to meet after doing the implementation, because it's for a customer requirement, right, to run their application. So that the vision will have those details. Then project requirement,